Hello everyone, my name is Gomer Omega Bani. Chapter 4: The Development of Competency Beliefs, Expectations for Success and Achievements Follows from Childhood through Adolescence. In this chapter, we review research on the development of children's competency, expectancy, beliefs, and achievements follows. The research is based on an expectancy value model of achievements, motivation, and behavior developed by Excellence and her colleagues. Excel, Wakefield and colleagues expectation value model development and expectancy value model of achievement choice as a framework for understanding adolescents and adolescents performance and choice in mathematics achievement domain figure 1 presents a recent version of the model. Figure I like Wakefield and colleagues expectancy value model of achievement motivation from Wakefield and Excel. Expectancy value theory of achievement motivation, contemporary educational psychology. Influence their goals and text specific beliefs. Other influences are children's progress, performance, and different texts. Important socializers, beliefs, values, and behaviors, and various contextual and cultural influences. Development of children's competences, beliefs, expectations for success, and achievements. Text values. We and others have done extensive work on the development of children's competency, beliefs, expectations for success, and achievements values. The structure of children's competency, beliefs, and values. Various researchers have examined the structure of children's beliefs about competency, and some have examined children's subjective text values to assess how the structure of these constructs becomes different. The research have factor analysis the children's responses to various contemporary measures of these constructs and have found the even during the early elementary school years children this a deep of change in children's beliefs and values concurs change in the meaning of these contracts across development. Change in the main level of children's achievement, beliefs, and values several. Researchers have found the children's competencies, beliefs, and expectations for success for different texts decline across the elementary school years and into the middle school years. To illustrate, in the findings of Nicholas of first grades rank themselves near the top of the class in reading ability, and there was no correlation between their ability ratings and their performance level. In contrast, the 12 years old ratings were more dispersed on and correlate high school grades. gender and ethic difference in competency, relate beliefs and expectations for success. Before discussing gender and ethic differences, some words of concern are in order. As others have pointed out, drawing conclusions about sex, racial, and ethnic differences must be done carefully, although such differences often are observed. In general, they tend to be relatively small in terms of the amount of variance explained. Thus, there is often insubstantial overlap between different groups in the many different variables measured in a student of sex and ethnic differences. Gender differences in beliefs about competency, gender differences in competence related beliefs during childhood and adolescence are reported, particularly if gender role stereotype demands and novel texts. For example, boys hold higher competency beliefs than girls for maths and sports, even after relevant skill level differences are controlled by contracts. Girls have higher competency beliefs than boys for reading, English, and social activities. Gender differential in achievements takes values. Eccles, Wakefield, and their colleagues have found gender role stratified the difference in both children and adolescents following of mathematics, music, sport, social activities, and English or reading. Across these studies, boys value sport activities more than girls do, although girls also value them highly. Relative to boys, girls value reading, English, and instrumental music more. Interestingly, recent work indicates that boys and girls value much equally. Ethnic differential competency beliefs and values as is the case in many areas of psychology. Less is now about the motivation of children from different racial and ethnic groups. However, work in this area is growing quickly, with much of it focusing in the academic achievements difficulties of many African American children. Expectations, values, goals, and achievements behaviors the work referred in the preceding section previous and picture of our current knowledge about the development of competence related beliefs and achievements takes values in different groups. For the most part, in the present discussion, we treated these contracts separately. In our model, these contracts are said to interrelate, to relate to other constructs, and to relate to different achievements atoms. We turn to this interrelation in the section that follow and describe some of our imperial efforts designed to address them. Relation among competency-related beliefs and subjective text follows in original statements of expectancy follow model competency beliefs word to predict about expectations for success and achievements values. Relations between expectations and values themselves were not specific. Researchers have found that children's competency and expectancy beliefs are positive to their subjective values, with their relation apparent as early as first grade. Relation of competency related beliefs, achievements values, and achievements goals, with the emphasis in motivation theory on cognitive aspects of motivation. Many motivation researchers have begun to study the goals children have for achievements. Researchers studying children's goals have focused on the content of these goals, the relation between academic and social goals, and goals orientation children have toward achievements, competency beliefs, achievements values, and the self-regulation of achievements behavior is various. Presentation of the model, we have posited that individuals' expectations for success and achievements values predicts their achievements outcomes, including their performance, presentations, and choice of which activities to do. We have obtained empirical support for this proposed links in longitudinal studies of children ranging in age from future shares decisions. Suggestions for future research have been made throughout the chapter. In this final section, we discuss some additional topics we think are deserving of future research. Research on competency beliefs as a result of the focus in the motivation literature of competition related beliefs. We have learned a great deal about them. There still is important work to do on the development of competence and relative beliefs. However, see also chapter IB Hooks and Pagers in volume on introduce into continue to examine how similar or different the various constructs in this area. Self-efficacy, competency, beliefs, expectancies are theoretically distinctions among them can be done, but as discussed earlier, empirically they often are strongly related. Influence of context on children's competency, beliefs, and values. Contextual influences on motivation have taken center stage in work on motivation, and researchers move beyond an individual difference approach to motivation. Turner and Mayer discussed how attention to contextual influence can alter some general conclusions coming from work on motivation. For instance, researchers have discussed how optimal challenge update is motivation for students. Acknowledging much of the research on the development of children's competency, beliefs, and values discussed in this chapter was supported by grant from the National Institute of Child Health and Human Development. Other research discussed in this chapter were supported by grant from the National Institute for Mental Health, from NICE grant, from the National Science Foundation, and grants from the Spencer Foundation.